Hello guys, it's been a long time. Your man is still back on. Today I'm gonna show you how to do tomato stew. Tomato stew is actually one of the stew that was made. It's made popularly by Ghanaian people and whole of West Africa. Okay, so the ingredients are. So here are the ingredients. You have your cube. You have your pepper, and over here is blended tomatoes. Okay, blended tomatoes and pepper. We have your carrot, you have your green pepper and your red pepper, you have your gager. I have my Exeter canned beef, of course your oil. I have my dried fish. I like a fish a lot. If you are those who follow me, I like a lot of dried fish, and also tomato sauce, and here onion, garlic, and ginger. Okay, so these are the main ingredient. With the fish and other stuff, you can actually do meat if you want meat or pork or whatever, but I prefer doing using fish for this food. So first of all, I put my fish in a heated pan. Okay, I don't like a lot of oil. I don't like a lot of oil. Okay, so the essence of this is to eat healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy. Okay, so not too much oil. And if you are new on my channel, go to global kitchen. You can't miss it. Our oil is hot enough. Then we're gonna put the onion in it. Okay. Hot. And give it a stir. As soon as you start giving it a stir, it's gonna calm down. Okay. Make sure all this doesn't, get on your skin because it hurts. Okay. All right. You just have to. So after you give it a good stir, a little bit brownish, then we're gonna add our tomato. Give it a good stir. Then we're gonna add it, wait for it to cook a little bit, get some of the water out of. All right, fellas, at this end, we have a lot of water out of it. Then you're gonna add your tin tomatoes, tomato paste. Okay, you add your tomato paste. I have 2 of it. Okay, and you continue to stir, and we're gonna leave it about 3 minutes to boil. Okay, 3 minutes. At this moment, oh my god, it's taking shape. Then I add my gager to it. Okay, fellas, you have to follow the way I prepare this food. I'm telling you, it's one of the very delicacy. It's a delicacy. You will love it, trust me, you will love it. Okay, and I'm teaching you for my ingredient, my way, and trust me, you can never go wrong with my recipe. You can never go wrong. On beef. Okay, so wait. All right, then my cube. So you try to break it, stir it. Now I'm gonna put in my fish, live fish. Again, give it a stir. Okay, cover it. At this time, it's almost done. I'm gonna add my veggies. Give it a stir. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of nutmeg. Okay, a little bit of it. I'm gonna add a little bit of curry. Okay, a little bit of curry to it. Okay, then give it a stir again. I'm telling you guys, this is nice, very delicacy tomato stew. Y'all need to try it. You see how easy it was, you know, for me to cook this. Now we're gonna leave it on to about 5 minutes, and it's already there. Okay, you can use this to eat boiled yam. You can use it to eat rice, white cheese, just name it. Okay, I sometimes even use it to eat even bread. Yeah, so go to my channel, YouTube channel, Global Kitchen, and subscribe and tap the bell for notification. Thank you.